Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Robert and I'm back again with another review. So today I'm here to show you this big boy here. We're going to show you how to install it, how to use it, how to make it running. So before we start anything, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe on this channel. Watch out. So welcome back. Wacha tuanze kuikata. Let's cut it up and see what is inside. Njoo huku hivi tuone huku. Wachukua hiyo namba. The make brother. So this bad boy here came with some extra kits, some extra ink, ink fillers. We just fill these inks from the shop where I bought the machine, so that I could test it before I get it for myself. So I'll show you anyway the compartment where the ink is. Let's go on with this video. So there are cables, two cables, two power cables. Here it is, the beast. Anyway, I told you guys I'm a designer here. Some of my designs that I did. So if you want to get any designs, any logo making, I'm your guy. I'm your guy. My contacts are on my channel. You can find me there. So here we are. This is the guy. This is the big boy. Angalia hapa. The name is Brother, and this guy you can connect it with Wi-Fi. You can just print directly from your phone through the connection there. And this bad boy here has, the reason why I call it a bad boy is because it's some mini monster. This is the compartment where you put your papers, you see, so your papers won't get any dust. Besides that, we have another compartment here for the papers which are hard, the hard copy papers. And when you have a paper jam, you can open at the back here and fix your paper. So the bad boy came with a CD. You can install the CD so that you can use it with your computer. You see, here is the CD, Brother CD, but still you can get the drivers from the internet. So but this one is better, since if you don't have Wi-Fi connection at your home, just insert this on your computer and get it done. Yeah. So this is where you connect your cable here. The USB cable goes through here and then it's shut down with the glass. And the tank, the ink compartment is here. You can refill and you see the levels. So after that, you only need to install the CD drivers and you're good to go.